Hey YouTubers! Ever wondered how the pros make their videos look so polished and professional? Today, I've got a secret to share with you, using CapCut templates on your PC. It's super easy, and will take your editing skills to the next level. If you enjoy this tutorial, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Your support means the world to me. Alright, let's get started. First things first, we need to open up the CapCut app on our PC. Once you have the CapCut app open, before diving into a project or starting a new one, head over to the left sidebar and select Templates. This is where the magic happens, allowing us to browse through all the fantastic templates available. Now, to make things even easier, you can use the search bar or apply filters to narrow down templates by orientation, clip length, or type. This helps you find the perfect template quickly. Found a template you like? Great. Just select it and then click Use Template. This will download the template to your project. When the template is ready, there are two ways to add your videos and pictures. You can either import them from your computer and drag them into the template, or simply go to the template and click the plus symbol to add your media. Once you've added your videos or pictures, they'll appear in the template. When you're done, click the button in the upper right corner to watch your masterpiece. And there you have it. That's how you use CapCut templates on your PC to create stunning videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching.